Valentine's Day. Oh, so we're matching colors. Wow. Like exactly. Good morning and happy Valentine's Day. Today, my mom and I are
Today, my mom and I are going to.
So my
it's
mom.
A day of lovers.
It's a day of lovers.
It's a day for lovers.
I don't have a lover.
You watched that movie last night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
Oh yeah, last night we watched Valentine's Day, so we're in the Valentine's Day spirit. My mom and I are gonna go on a Valentine date since I don't have a Valentine date. I don't have a Valentine's this year.
I don't have a Valentine. I don't have a Valentine this year.
Okay. I don't have a Valentine this year, or last year,
or forever,
or the year before. But it's okay. I'm gonna go eat pancakes with my mom because I haven't had pancakes in forever and I really want pancakes. My mom is getting ready right now and then we're gonna go. But before we go, I thought I'd show some of my new jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. Look at this packaging. They're so cute. Ana Luisa crafts high quality jewelry pieces at very affordable prices. And they're also carbon neutral from packaging to product. And they have so many different types of styles, so you can choose whatever you want, whatever you feel. Like this one I got is the initial of my name and I've always wanted one of these, so I'm super happy about it. I love gold jewelry, so I got a lot of gold, but there are other colors, of course, and different styles according to what you like. If you're interested in getting yourself a Valentine gift, your partner a Valentine gift, or your mom or your sister, or anybody who loves jewelry, then you can go to the link in my description box, click it, and get 40% off. So go check them out, and let's get this Valentine's Day started. It's super cold, Mommy. You wanna play some love songs as it's a Lover's Day?
No.
I'm gonna play Valentine's Day songs. This is a throwback. Not tonight, let the music be on the guide. Won't you come wherever we go next? It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you are getting better. So can I have this day?
Do you know why? It's I can't cut oil. Yeah. No, it's closed.
Don't need makeup to cover up.
They should have done that.
Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my what? The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. You say that I'm gonna lose you, but you can't predict the future, so just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Can I say something crazy?
You want to get out?
Okay, can I just
It's not
say
even
something
crowded.
crazy?
Huh?
I'm at the pancake store. They have a hot chocolate pancake and they have strawberry mixed berry pancake. Well, they have like other ones too, but those are like the two that I'm feeling. When I get home today, I want to make cupcakes and also chocolate covered strawberries. So I feel like if I'm going to make that, then I shouldn't eat chocolate. Look at all the seaweed that they sell in Japan. This is all seaweed. So cold, Mommy.
How much was it?
600. I was gonna give it to Daddy.
Okay.
You know, I was so stupid in the flower shop. So I was just thinking I wanted a rose, but for some reason I translated rose to tulip, and I don't know why, but in my head, like a tulip was a rose, like not tulip, but like Judy, but that was a rose in my head. For some reason, when I walked into the store, I was just like so like focused on the fact that I would be getting a tulip. So I walk in and I was like, I'm pointing at the tulip saying, "Rose, これだけですか?" Because I knew it was rose, but for some reason I thought it was tulip.
Oh.
So when it says tulip or something, I was like, もうローズこれだけですか? And there were no more red ones, like there was only pink and white. So and plus it was in the Valentine's Day like section. That's why I thought that. So I was like, ローズはもう赤色ないですか? And she was like, ローズはチューリップありますよ。赤はないです。And then there was like this like Valentine bouquet with roses. And I was like, この赤いの一緒で、これはバラね。
Did you laugh?
I was like, バラありますか? I was so slow. And I was like, and then she took me and there were like 5 left of these. So I was like, それ一本. I'm back from lunch. My mom's friends are here now. But I want to make chocolate covered strawberries and blueberry banana muffins with cream cheese frosting. So I got strawberries here. There's like music playing in the back and like people talking, so I think I'll just do like a montage of me making my desserts. I'm not done with the other 2 either, but it's like a process there in the oven, so I'm gonna make my 3rd one. I'm gonna eat ichigo daifuku.
Oh no, you should do like this and show.
I love ichigo daifuku. This is my favorite Japanese snack. How was your Valentine's?
Oh, it was amazing. You made so many beautiful sweets. And now it's past 12 and I have to go get my baby sleep.
It's Rosie's birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, she's going to be 6 years old.
And Rosie's breed, her like life expectancy is only like 10 or 11 years. So I don't want her to get old, but she's turning 6 tomorrow, so good night, mommy. Oh, so before I end today's video, I thought I'd do like a quick montage of my dog Rosie. That's why she's named Rosie, because of Valentine's. So Rosie, even though you won't get to see this because you probably won't understand it, this is for you, my best friend Rosie. So thanks for watching today's video, and I hope everybody had a lovely Valentine, and happy birthday, Rosie. Cue the montage.